Were they entirely shocked? How did they react to the news yesterday?
Well, the reaction was one of tremendous and extreme disappointment, disillusionment, demoralization, but it was not thoroughly a surprise. We saw this, unfortunately, coming many, many months ago. It was clear to us from interaction with the prosecutor that this entire process was being distorted and corrupted and directed in a way that would engineer a no indictment in this case.
In fact, the family even said in the statement that they believe that the prosecutor in the case deliberately sabotaged the proceedings. Those are strong words.
They're very strong words, and no one takes pleasure in observing that there's been a tremendous failure or compromise in a process of this sort. But we have to be honest, we have to be candid, and we looked at this and saw it from very close range, and it's very clear to us that there was an abuse of the grand jury process, that this prosecutor wholly abandoned his obligation to be an advocate for the crime victim and became actually a defense lawyer for the police. And that is extremely upsetting, not just to the family, but it should be upsetting to the Cleveland community and to the nation as a whole. The problem of police violence is a horrible problem that is plaguing this country. Every time we turn on the TV or open the newspapers, we see another example of police violence, frequently in communities of color. And it's not going to stop until people are held accountable.
In terms of accountability, we know that the city of Cleveland is under a consent decree, which means there'll be federal oversight of all the practices in that department. We also know there's an ongoing federal review by the Civil Rights Division of the Department of Justice. Is the family at all hopeful that any of this could provide some measure of justice or closure for them, or do they plan on pursuing other avenues?
Well, the family does retain some degree of hope. We have asked for the federal government through the Department of Justice to intervene in this case. It's an unusual and extraordinary measure, but the federal government and the Department of Justice are there precisely for these kinds of circumstances. When there is a failure on the part of local law enforcement of this sort, the federal government is there as a backstop. And so the family is hopeful that the federal government is going to intervene in the same way that it's intervening now in Chicago. We think that the conduct here was so egregious and so misguided that it warrants federal intervention. And we're also pursuing a federal civil rights lawsuit. And so we're determined, and the family is determined, to obtain some measure of justice in this case. It's a horrible tragedy. 12-year-old child shot for no reason.